Greetings fellow Fifish owners, and welcome to our little video which explains what we've got. The CNC engineered acrylic extended jaw designed for all Fifish ROVs is an incredible grab upgrade that revolutionises the process of recovering lost items underwater. And we all know the factory grab is a bit of a struggle. With its advanced design, this jaw really does excel at minimising sediment disturbance and gives a much clearer view of the target object. It is a significant improvement over the traditional black claw, as it reduces distractions on screen and allows users to focus on the task at hand. The extended jaw's precision engineering and high quality materials make it a reliable tool for any underwater mission. It's been specifically designed to fit seamlessly with Fifish ROVs, ensuring easy installation that takes just minutes. With a lead time of approximately 15 days, you won't have to wait long to experience the benefits of this remarkable upgrade. Additionally, the extended jaw's compatibility with the ROV's camera system enhances its performance. When used in auto mode, the camera produces superior results, capturing clear and detailed images or videos of the recovery process. This feature further enhances the efficiency and effectiveness of the underwater operations, making the extended jaw a must-have accessory for all Fifish ROV users. Out of interest, it's known as the Stag Beetle Claw. We've taken a fairly long road in developing it, and 3 or 4 different types of prototypes, optimizing it to have it machined, and now it's available for you. So have a watch and enjoy the movie, and we look forward to taking in your order and getting you an extended claw.